i1Profiler includes an option called Quality, which is used to verify if the colors in a proof conform to a desired conventional printing condition such as Grackle, Swap, or FOGRA 51. This option is available when the category CMYK printer is selected. To perform a proof verification, according to ISO 12647-7, a common print media wedge, like the ID Alliance Control Wedge or FOGRA Media Wedge, can be printed with the proof, measured, and then compared to the reference print condition data. i1Profiler then provides a pass or fail rating based on the tolerances of your desired print condition. It also lists the results for all test criteria and tolerances. The results may be saved in an HTML report. This is a commonly used verification function in prepress departments, which produce proofs as a visual reference for press room production.